My post-graduation subject is physical science or the earth science. Can I appear for the UGC net? Whether UGC net and CSIR net paper 1 syllabus is same or not? Is there any negative marking in UGC net or CSIR net? Or if my paper 1 syllabus is there, is it same for CSIR net and my state set examination? And majority of the states in India are conducting state level set examination, which is a quite common syllabus between the UG Senate and set exam for all the states in India. But is that CSIR net subjects and state level set subject paper 1 syllabus is same or not? These are the doubts which has been creating a confusion among the CSIR net aspirants as well as UGC net aspirants. Let us try to clear all those doubts in this particular video. Very short video. I'm going to give you important details which will clear all your previous doubts regarding this particular UGC net and CSIR net examination. Let us go into the video. Welcome you all to the Achieversaddaugcnet platform. So myself, Vodnala Shivalingam, a qualified NET JRF Commerce. I am teaching for the UGC net paper 1 paper 2 commerce since the 5 years in this platform, Achieversadda. So you can join in our Telegram group also. The links are given in the description for the UGC net exam. If you are preparing, you can join into it and subscribe to our channel. Also download our application Achieversaddaugcnet 24/7 for the UGC net and all state set examination preparation. So first of all, let us make a one clear-cut statement, guys, regarding the UGC net and the CSIR net. CSIR net is for the science subjects. Generally, the exam will be conducted for the science related subjects, and UGC net is for the non-science, like a social sciences and humanities, history, all these things. It will be conducted. But when it comes to the state level set examination, be it a Tamil Nadu set, West Bengal, Karnataka set, or the AP, Telangana set, any state set examination, CSIR subjects and UGC net subject put together, a common exam will be conducted, and the syllabus for the set examination will be UGC net syllabus only will be applicable. Whatever your paper 2 CSIR will be there, that syllabus, and paper 1 will be UGC net will be there in the set examination. So when it comes to set examination, the point is that paper 1 syllabus will be UGC net syllabus, and paper 2 syllabus will be, if you belong to science, the science CSIR net syllabus science will be applicable, and if you belong to UGC net subjects, then that paper 2 subjects syllabus will be applicable. So but paper 1 for the set examination will be UGC net, that is general research and teaching aptitude will be there, total 10 units. Teaching aptitude, research aptitude, comprehension, communication, logical reasoning, mathematical aptitude, data interpretation, people and environment, as well as ICT, higher education. The 10 units will be there in set examination paper 1. So in set examination, there is no difference between the science and non-science subjects. For all, a single common exam is being conducted. I know it is very partial towards the CSIR aspirant, but don't know why the system is being prepared like that. So that is unanswered question. So may hopefully in the future it may change it. For the set also separately for the CSIR and separately for the UGC net, syllabus may come and the pattern of exam also may change. Now let us come to the differentiation between these two. UGC net is a University Grants Commission net examination, that is national eligibility test. CSR is for the science subjects. So specifically the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. By name itself, we can sense it, scientific, which means to be this exam is being conducted for the science subjects, for the entering into the research as well as assistant professor field. So UG Senate is having a wider scope because it is covering variety of a discipline, whereas CSIR net is to mainly for the scientific research and teaching only. So if you see the list of number of subjects in UG Senate, total paper 2 subjects are for 83 subjects. UG Senate exam is being conducted, whereas CSIR net is only for the 5 subjects. That is for the chemical science, earth science, atmospheric, ocean and planetary science, life sciences, mathematical sciences, physical science. All these 5 subjects, when it comes to state level set examination, will be mixed up with a set exam only. And all these 5 subjects will be mixed in the state level set exam, having a common paper 1 syllabus of UGC net. This is the point which you need to understand very clearly. Even though that is CSIR subject, but mixing in a state level set exam for the paper 1 UGC net syllabus only, other set syllabus. And what are the qualification for the post graduation? At least if it is a general category, you need a 55 percentage. So you can look at here. If it is a general category, you need a 55 percentage of the EWS, and the SC, ST, OBC candidates will get a 50 percentage in your post graduation. You are eligible to write the UGC NET. And CSR is in your post graduation or the BTech or the BE or the B Pharma, MBBS, wherever 4 years degree or the integrated science degree, if you are having minimum 55 percentages required for the general and EWS category, general and EWS. This is same. And for the reserved category, SC, ST, OBC categories and PWD categories, it will be 50 percentage only. In your post graduation, minimum you need to get that one. Even for the UGC NET also it is same. There is no change. And for the age limit of the JRF, for the assistant professor and PhD purpose, there is no upper age limit. But for getting a JRF, 30 years is the maximum. Here also, here also. Even there are some websites which are showing for the CSIR net only 28 years. But in the recent bulletin of information, bulletin given by the NTA in the CSIR net, so that is 30 years is the maximum age for the JRF, where on the first day of the examination month in which it is conducted. Okay, this is about the age limit for the JRF. In the both it is same. Now, when it comes to the paper pattern and the syllabus, guys, in UGC NET we have a paper one which is common paper to all the 83 subjects. This is a common paper, that is general paper on teaching and research aptitude, and paper to a PG post graduation subject specialization will be there. Commerce for the commerce, management for the management, geography for the geography, like that. So 50 questions in paper 1 into 200 marks, 100 questions in paper 2 into 200, total 300 marks, 3 hours is examination. CBT mode of exam is being conducted. No negative marking. No negative marking. Okay. No negative marking at all. When it comes to the CSIR net, part A is a common, which is common to all the 5 subjects. Part A is common to all 5 subjects. All 5 subjects. Part A is common. So it is divided into 3 parts. Generally, CSIR net papers are 3 parts. Part A, Part B, Part C. Part A will be general aptitude, which is quantitative aptitude and reasoning ability, like that one. Total 30 marks will be there. 2 for every subject. And here 20 for every subject. Number of questions are 20 questions are going to be there. And there will be a 0.5 negative marking will be there. Maximum you can attempt 15 questions. Means out of the 20 questions, you can attempt only any 15 questions with a 0.5 negative, and 30 marks will be the total mark in part A, which is common to all the 5 subjects aspirants. Which of these 5 subjects? Okay. Next, part B is a subject related paper only, but there will be a 70 marks. 70 marks, total number of questions, 25 to 50 questions will be there. 25 to 50 questions for each of the subject. 5 subjects are there now. So maximum 20 to 35 questions you can attempt. So 35 into 2 marks will be 70 marks. Is a total mark. So there will be a 0.5 to 0.875 subject wise. Subject wise, according, because different subject is having different negative marking. That is why 0.5 is a minimum, and it can go up to 0.875 also, which is almost a one third. One third of it. So one third of the 2 marks each. Right? And the part C will be scientific concepts, which is more of application oriented. So 100 marks will be the maximum, and 30 to 75 number of questions will be there. Minimum 20 to 25 questions you need to attempt. 100 marks will be the total. So 4 marks each. 25 into 4 marks, which will be 100. And there will be 1 to 1/3 of the negative. Even for every question, 1 to 1.1/3 means 33.33 percentage of negative, which comes to be 1 to 1.3 marks will be the deduction for one wrong answer. Like that, CSIR net syllabus will be this pattern of exam, and the syllabus will be decided. So for a 5 subjects, different syllabus, and one common part A will be there, which is 30 marks. This is about the syllabus. And what are the minimum qualifying marks for the EWS, OBC, and general? It is 33 percentage in part A, B, C put together. For the SC, ST, it is 25 percentage you need to get after the negative, because negative marking is involved. That's why low pass percent, minimum qualifying percentage. When it comes to UGC NET exam, paper 1 and 2, 40 percentage and 35 for the reserved category. That is very clear. Now, if you look at these five subjects, if you are having in your post graduation, you are not eligible to write the UGC net. And at a state level, if you are having these five subjects in your post graduation, then you are allowed to write the state level set examination, not the UGC net national level examination. Because all the state level set examination is having common syllabus of UGC net paper 1, and whatever your paper 2 is there in your post graduation, even if you are belong to CSIR net, whatever there in the syllabus will be applicable for set and net as well, both in paper 2. But paper 1 for these subjects of CSIR net also be UGC net paper 1 only in the state level set exam. That is the point which you need to understand. I hope many of your doubts got clarified, because continuously there is only a one question. I completed M Pharmacy, I completed B Pharmacy. Can I appear for the UGC net? No, sir. It is for the CSIR net. My life science is my paper is life science paper 2. Can I appear for the UGC net paper 1 syllabus? Is that UGC net paper 1 syllabus, CSIR net paper 1 syllabus is same or not? No, no, no. Both syllabus is different. There, the quantitative aptitude reasoning will be there in the CSIR net in paper 1, part A. Whereas in UGC net, teaching and research aptitude, total 10 units are there, which is having 5 questions from each unit. So that's the clarity I wanted to give. And if you are a preparing candidate for the UGC net set examination for your UGC net JRF, you can join in our Achiever Sadda 24/7 courses. For the paper 1 complete course at just a 3,600 complete detailed course covering everything, 3599 for the 6 months time period validity will be there. And you can download the PDF, you can print it also. And if you belong to commerce and management, we have a commerce and management separate is there. If you want a both paper 1 and commerce or management, then 6,199 will be there. So this is the least price which is there across the India for the complete courses, which is covering only in English medium. And those who want to purchase the courses, you can join in our Telegram group and contact us on this WhatsApp number 966364 highest quality of the courses at a lowest fee, without compromising the quality of standards of examination. According to the NTA standard of examination, we are going. We are not teaching here and there blah blah and giving basic PDF. Every concept is covered, and many of the aspirants have witnessed in the recent examination. Even our previous year question pattern also solving will be different, with a proper explanation on a topic wise basis will make you to understand. That's our assurance, and you can just contact us on the given number for the complete batch courses, as well as only paper 1 also will be available if you are preparing for set exam and the net examination. We are not offering the CSIR related subjects. CSIR UGC net is different, so that subjects we are not offering. Thank you so much. Bye to all. If you like this video, please do hit a like button and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Join in our Telegram group. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video.